Hi, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. Today I'd like to welcome you back to the showroom. We're going to be taking a look at a 1967 Camaro. It's teal green and it is gorgeous. If you've caught us on eBay and you're looking for the pricing on our cars, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. All the prices for our cars are there on our website, and it's also the reserve price on eBay, so it's the exact same price. Or you can just call Tom at 248-974-9513. He'd love to talk to you about the cars. Here at Vanguard, we've got over 30,000 square feet of indoor storage and over 120 muscle cars for sale. We buy about 35 cars a month, so the inventory changes quite often. If you like us on Facebook, you'll get a notification the minute we buy a car. It's one of the first things we do when we buy a car. We post it on Facebook to let everybody know. We actually sell a lot of cars that way. Also, like us on or make us one of your favorites on your computer too, because you need to check us out often. We've always got something cool going on here. One of the things that people always ask is, where do you get all these cool muscle cars? Well, we get them from customers like you. People call us when they've got cars for sale, when they want to trade cars, and also when they find cars for sale. If you've got a friend who has a car for sale and it's a high quality muscle car, give us a call with that phone number, and if I buy that car, we'll pay you $200. We encourage you to come visit us here at Vanguard. If you're from out of town, fly into Detroit Metro Airport, call Tom at 248-974-9513. We can send somebody down to the airport, pick you up. It's only about a 20-minute ride. We're right here in Plymouth, Michigan, and you can come out and check out all these cars. After buying thousands of cars and talking to thousands of people about them buying cars, we've developed 7 deadliest mistakes to buying a muscle car online at ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com. You can go to our website and check it out and download it free. Check it out. It's some good information. Okay, we're out here with the 67 Camaro now. This is a beautiful color on the car. Now this color did come on these cars in 67, but this one was not born with this color, but they picked a great color to put on it. I love it. If you want to see about 100 pictures of it, go to our website at VanguardMotorsales.com. We're going to put this baby up on the left, check out the underneath side. We're going to check it out under the hood. We're going to get in the interior, get in the trunk. We'll show you everything you need to see so you can make a good decision on your muscle car investment. So come on up, let's take a nice close look at this baby. All right, checking this thing out. This is a real RS car. It's got beautiful paint. The front bumper looks awesome. Love the sticker up front. And I can't say enough about the paint. The hood gaps look nice. The hood fits nice. The body work on the car, it's phenomenal. Take a look how that door fits. All the chrome and the stainless look good. The doors operate nice. The lips look good. You can see they took the latch out when they did the paint work. We'll grab the key while we're here. We'll get in the trunk. Good looking quarter panel there, nice and straight. Almost a perfect reflection in that quarter panel. You can see the motorcycle sitting there next to it. Spoiler looks nice back here. Back bumper chrome is nice. Look inside the trunk there. We've got the jack, the spare tire, the whole 9 yards. Good looking paint on the bottom side of the deck lid. The rubber looks good. The bezels on the tail lights are in nice shape. Trunk shut down nice. Look down the side here, straight as an arrow. The sun is just really making that paint dance. There must be 5 or 6 different colors of metallic in there. And check out this door jamb, nice and clean. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consigning dealers. We purchase all of our vehicles, so we spend the time, we check them out before we buy them. Then we've got a 130-point inspection list that we go through, and we use it as a tool so Tom can answer all of your questions. Now that inspection list doesn't say we fix everything on the car, but you know what? What we do is we take care of all the lights, we make sure you've got turn signals, We make sure the brakes are good. We go through and inspect all the brakes on the car. Let's check out the interior. Beautiful door panel, armrest, handles. The chrome on the vent window looks good. Great looking steering wheel, dash, upholstery. The seat belts are there. The carpet looks great. The headliner looks good. Even the dome light's working. All right, we're underneath the 67 Camaro now. It looks like the gas tank was replaced at one time. It's got the monoleafs, big 2.5-inch exhaust system. The drop downs on the trunk look good. We got a 10-bolt rear end. It's right around the 3.0 gear. It is an open rear end. It's not posi. Flowmaster mufflers. The frame is in awesome shape. One of my telltales on these Camaros is I always look right here in the frame. There's two pieces of metal welded together, and if this car was rusty, all this stuff would be swollen. I can tell the car has always been in nice shape because that spot right there looks good. The pinch weld on the rockers is another spot. When these cars get old and moisture gets in there, this weld will start to pooch out. This one looks great. The floorboards are nice and solid. I don't see any evidence that anybody's ever done any patchwork. The frame is nice and solid. The low spot in the frame right here is a place you gotta check. We got a Muncie 4-speed here. The car does have headers on it. Looks like we got drum brakes up front. Nice clean bottom side of the motor. I believe these bushings look fairly new up here. They've been replaced probably in the last 3 or 4 years. The upper bushings also look like they've been replaced. The sway bar bushings have definitely been replaced. My ball joints have definitely been replaced. I can tell the rivets have been cut out and they're bolted in now. So the car's been very well maintained. The front frame horns are nice and straight. Doesn't look like the car was ever in an accident. At least no major accident. The core support's also another telltale sign. These babies would fill up with crap and rust out. This one looks nice and solid. Looks like they've actually added new body mounts up here in the core support. Well, let's look at the wheels and tires. All right, up front here we got BFGs. We got 235 6014s on some good looking rally wheels. Got the beehives here. The trim rings look like they may be original. They're in good shape. The wheel lip moldings look great. As you can see, they've taken the rub job on the paint right down to the bottom. Everything was polished right up. Even the rockers are polished. Out back here, we got 235 6014s. Same good looking trim rings, center caps, and wheels. Wheel lip moldings look good back here also. Take a look at that rocker. Nice. Well, let's lower it down and take a look under the hood. All right, we're under the hood now. We've got a 327 under the hood is what we were told. Now the casting number on the block said that this block could be a 302, 327, or a 350. We were told it was put back as a 327. The suffix and everything has been milled off of the block, so you can't tell. We've got headers on the car, chrome valve covers. Looks like a Edelbrock carburetor underneath there. It's a 4-barrel. Good looking radiator. It's got a nice fan shroud on it. Belts look good, hoses look good. Let's see, we've got some shims up here. So it's definitely been to the alignment shop. Looks like the period correct distributor back there. And let's see if it's got 2 wires coming out of it, so that tells me it's had a Petronics unit put in it, so the points are no longer in there. They've upgraded to an electronic pickup in that baby. We've got manual brakes, manual steering. The brakes work great. The steering is fine. Good looking battery in the car. This thing's ready to go, guys, so give us a call at 974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales put this dream in your driveway. Here we go for a ride in our 67. I tell you, it's got an awesome sound to it. It's shifting nice. Horn's not working right now. It's got an AM radio. I do not hear any noise coming out of that. The blower motor is working. The speedo is not working, but the guys will fix the speedo. Looks like my gas gauge is working. Windshield wipers are working. And if it looks like I'm a little close to the steering wheel, I mean, I'm a big guy, but I'm not that big. They've actually moved the seat forward on some tracks. The guys will be taking those tracks off, so the seat will be back in its stock location. Unless you want it up close, and we'll send these short tracks with it. We'll bust a Yui here, see how the turning radius is. She's got no problem. Going through the gears, it's just smooth as can be. I love the 4-speed shifter. It's got the long handle on it, makes it real comfortable to reach. Going through the curves here, real nice. The car does not have power steering, but she's steering real nice. All right, a little speed run here. Little small block will pop the front end right up, I tell you what. It's a blast to drive. We can ship this baby anywhere in the world. Just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Our shop's right outside the Motor City here in Plymouth, Michigan at 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. So come check us out. We got a bunch of hot rods out today. It's a nice day. And let Vanguard Motor Sales put your dream in your driveway.